You ever feel like you're playing a game of health whack-a-mole? You solve one problem and another one just pops right back up. Well, what if I told you that so many of our most common health struggles aren't separate issues at all? What if they're all just branches growing from the exact same root? Today, we're going to dig down to find it. So maybe for you, it shows up as that constant humming feeling of anxiety. Or maybe it's that just bone-deep fatigue that no amount of coffee can even touch. Or that really frustrating brain fog, the kind that makes it feel impossible to focus and think clearly. It could be that stubborn weight that just refuses to budge no matter what you try. Or maybe it's the night spent just tossing and turning, which, let's be honest, only makes everything else feel so much worse. We're usually taught to fight these battles on completely different fronts, right? But what if we're just missing the big picture? What if these aren't separate enemies at all, but they're actually different soldiers in the very same army, all reporting to a single commander? So this brings us to a really frustrating reality for so many people. We're often given, a pill for every single symptom, but we rarely get a clear answer on why we feel this way to begin with. This quote from the book Brain Energy, wow, it just nails it. It's talking about mental health here, but that feeling of frustration, it applies right across the board. We've become experts at naming diseases and managing symptoms, but we so often fail to ask the most important question: what is the underlying cause? So what is that single commander? What is that root cause? To find it, we need to zoom in. I mean, way, way in. Past your organs, past your tissues, all the way down to the level of the trillions of tiny engines humming away inside every single one of your cells. Now, you've probably heard the word metabolism 1,000 times, but it is so much more than just about weight. It is the fundamental process of life itself, turning food and air into the raw energy that powers absolutely everything. And metabolic health? That's simply the measure of how well your body is doing that job. Is that conversion efficient and clean, or is it struggling and, inefficient? And the ones doing all that heavy lifting? Meet the heroes of our story, the mitochondria. These are the literal power plants inside your cells, and when they're running smoothly, you feel incredible. You've got vibrant energy. But when these power plants start to sputter and fail, the lights start to flicker across the entire system. This quote from Dr. Holtorf really highlights a crucial shift in thinking. See, we get obsessed with the symptoms, things like high blood sugar, but that's just a downstream effect. The real issue, the problem that's happening upstream, is the health of our cellular power plants. And when these tiny engines start to fail, the energy crisis isn't contained. Oh no. The effects ripple outwards, and they start showing up in ways that seem completely unrelated on the surface. And that's how you get all those different branches from that one single root. Think about this for a second. Your brain is an absolute energy hog. A full third, 1/3 of the energy your brain makes is just for basic upkeep. And that's before you even think a single conscious thought. So, what do you think happens when that energy supply starts to dwindle? Well, you get an energy deficit right in the command center. An underpowered brain is an anxious brain, it's a depressed brain, it's a foggy brain. The connection is actually so strong that some scientists are now calling Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes, a metabolic problem that's rooted in the brain's inability to efficiently use fuel. And the problem doesn't just stop at the neck. Dysfunctional mitochondria are a key driver of insulin resistance, which is basically the gateway to countless chronic diseases. This cellular energy crisis is directly tied to PCOS, to that hard-to-lose weight, to fatty liver disease, and a way higher risk for heart problems. You see, it's all connected. The big takeaway here is that this impacts everything. I mean, poor metabolic health means injuries heal slower because there just isn't enough energy for the repairs. It can affect fertility by starving egg cells of the energy they desperately need. It literally speeds up the aging process and can send our immune system into total chaos. Now, understanding all of this doesn't just give us a new villain to blame, it actually offers a completely new and, I think, far more hopeful way of thinking about our wellness. It's a fundamental shift from being reactive to being proactive. I mean, just look at the difference. The old way is all about chasing symptoms, treating the body like it's a broken-down car, where we just patch each individual part as it fails. The new way? It's about restoring the engine itself. It's about focusing on the root cause, seeing the body as one interconnected system, and actually building health from the cellular level up. So you might be wondering, okay,
which one comes first? Does the mitochondrial problem cause the illness, or does the illness damage the mitochondria? And the answer is, well, it's yes. It's a vicious cycle. One absolutely fuels the other. But the incredible news here is that this cycle can be broken by focusing on one thing: improving the health of your mitochondria.
So, how do we actually do that? How do we give our cellular power plants the right fuel and the right maintenance so they can run at peak performance? Well, it isn't about some magic pill. It's about getting back to the foundational pillars of our health. The evidence really points to 4 key areas. First up, nutrition. Foods that are loaded with refined sugar, they basically gum up the works of our cellular engines. Second, movement. Exercise literally signals your body to build more and stronger mitochondria. Third, sleep. This is non-negotiable maintenance time for deep cellular repair. And fourth, managing stress. Chronic stress keeps your body in a constant state of emergency, and that just drains your energy reserves. And this brings us to the final and, I think, most important question. This single shift in perspective changes everything. It reframes the whole conversation from one of disease and being broken to one of energy and function. It moves us from a place of helplessness to a place of empowerment, because by focusing on the health of our cellular engines, we're not just fighting symptoms. We're building a foundation for vibrant, resilient health that can last a lifetime. If you're interested in exploring more of these incredible connections, from hormone optimization to metabolic psychiatry and regenerative medicine, be sure to subscribe and follow for more explainers just like this one. Thanks so much for watching this Within You Health production.